And today in this webinar, I'm going to tell you how you can create a wildly profitable online business for you that can actually give you more than 1 lakh rupees every single month. And that income can keep on increasing. And you can do all of that using just your mobile phone. Okay, so if you want to know that, then sit here with complete focus. Now, to begin with, let me make it very clear to you that this webinar is not for those people who are freebie seekers. Okay, you know what? Who are freebie seekers? Those people who want everything for free. Okay, they're not mature enough to understand that you need to invest in your learning if you want to create some results. So don't sit here with a freebie seekers mindset. Don't be an excuse maker. If you're sitting in this webinar, make sure that you are ready to take action, because actions will only give you results, not excuses. Okay, so you need to stop thinking about every single aspect, your problems and excuses, and take the right knowledge which you are getting in this webinar and then use it to take action. Most importantly, if you are someone who is selfish in nature, this session is not for you. And not only this session, the whole business field, the world of entrepreneurship is not meant for you, because business means when you provide value and you get some benefit out of that. So very first thing is that you provide value. Okay, so if you have any of these qualities in you which are shown on the screen, then you need to decide. Either you need to leave this webinar, or you need to leave these these qualities or this kind of attitudes, okay, if you want to succeed in life. Okay, so my goal for today is to provide you with everything that you need so that you can start an online business that will give you 6-figure income, and it will keep on increasing, because I believe success, the only definition of success is progress. If you're progressing, means you are getting closer to success, right? So I will help you to achieve all of this in this webinar today, even without you being an expert into anything, because you don't need any skills. Okay, you don't need to be a known face, you don't need to be an influencer or brand out there, and also you don't need to push anybody, you don't need to pitch anybody for sales regularly or get on their head or run behind their back. We don't do all of that, and also we won't encourage you to do that. Okay, it will be a complete business idea, a genuine business field. Okay, so by the end of this webinar, see, I can give you 3 promises right now. Number 1, by the end of this webinar, you'll learn all those secrets through which people are making great income on the internet. Along with that, you'll have all that knowledge which you can start implementing right from today to make the use of social media to make great income. Along with that, I'll give you a proven platform, okay, through which I've had so many people make great income from internet using just a mobile phone. Now, here's what we are going to cover. See, first of all, I'll give you some clarity through which you can decide which online business you want to start with, because there are n number of opportunities out there, because of which a lot of people, they get confused. So I'll help you to choose the best platform for you. Along with that, I'll tell you what loopholes or what mistakes you should avoid. Along with that, I'll train you on those 3 things which are required to actually make 6-figure income. And I'll give you my proven ecosystem, my proven formula through which I've had thousands of students, employees, businessmen, and housewives to make an income of over 4 crore rupees working from home. Okay, so if you want to achieve this kind of income, then you need to listen to this webinar very, very carefully, because I'm going to tell you all those strategies through which I have helped a college student named Ritesh and many more college students like him make this kind of income, right? I'll tell you the ways and strategies through which I've helped Maitri, who is a single mom, to make over 2 lakh rupees in less than 3 months, through which she was able to quit her full-time job, working just 3 hours a day into part-time. She was able to make more than her full-time job, and then she's now able to work from home and spend more time with her family, right? And in fact, 1 or 2 days back, her income of a single day was over 35,000 rupees. So that's the kind of income that people are creating here. But it's only for those people who are learning and taking action, because these people are hardworking people, right? I'll train you all those techniques. I'll tell you all those techniques through which people like Shiv Prasad have been making more income than their annual package in just 4 months working part-time using our ecosystem. Okay, but there are some rules here. This is no get rich quick scheme. There is no magic button. Okay, so don't think, okay, that these people are lucky or they must have got something that made them successful overnight. Not at all. They are hardworking people. And also, this session is not about network marketing, so don't worry about that. It's a good industry, no doubt, but we are not discussing it here. Along with that, see, if you're seen these results and you want to achieve these kinds of results, you need to be hardworking like these people. Okay, now I want to take just 2 minutes for you, because I want to share a very important concept with you which helped me achieve this kind of result. Okay, so I've created over 8 crore rupees in last 5 years, training over 25,000 people, and I've given over 500 live workshops and 300 live webinars. I'm co-founder of India's largest affiliate entrepreneur community, which is helping people become online entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers. The name is BizGurukul. Okay. So in which direction you should take action? Let's discuss. See, there are ample options out there in the internet field. So for you to decide, you need to check which option requires what resources. So if you have huge money to invest, you can start with e-commerce or drop shipping. If you have huge talent or some skills, or maybe you want to learn new skills, then you can become a coach into that. You can become a trainer. You can start a YouTube channel. You can go for vlogging and blogging. Third option is that if you want to invest some time, but you don't have money, much of money or skill, then you can spend some time in your learning and learn digital marketing, learn share trading, learn content writing, copywriting. These are the kind of skills which are required right now. But if you say, Rohit, I don't have any of these three, then I'm going to tell you that there is a way out there which doesn't require you to invest huge amounts of money or be talented or skilled or devote lots of time. And that way is affiliate marketing, which is almost $12 billion industry in the world right now. In India only, it's of more than $100 million. And by 2025, it will become an industry of $1 billion. That's way over 7,500 crore rupees. Already there are thousands of people who have become affiliate marketers and affiliate millionaires in India. But the question is not that who has become who. The question is, are you ready to become one? Are you going to become one? And for that, you need to start working as an affiliate marketer, because this is one such industry which doesn't require you to invest huge amount of money or take risk. It has so many benefits. Let's discuss a few basics about it. As an affiliate, you're just promoting other people's products and you're promoting it on the internet. If a customer purchases it from the internet, you get commission on that. It's a very simple concept, but so much powerful that crores of people are joining it every single month worldwide. You know why? Because it has got some great benefits. Number one, it will give you unlimited income. There is no capping of any sort of income as it happens in job, right? You can earn as much as you want. Along with that, you can just think about it and you can get started, because there are no skills required or qualifications required. Yes, there are a few things required which you can learn eventually if you are working into it, but nobody is going to ask about your resume or take any interview. You just thought about it and you can get started. You don't need to create any products or brand because you're promoting other people's products. Okay, so it's completely hassle-free business. Along with that, it requires very, very less investment to make money from affiliate marketing. I've already told you, don't sit here as a freebie seeker. You need to invest in your learning and some amount in marketing as well, right? But since you have come here into my webinar, I can help you to make great income from affiliate marketing in a cost which will cost you in an amount that will cost you less than a new suit. Okay, so trust me on that. Don't worry about it, about the investment part. Okay, and also biggest part is that it will give you a flexible option to work, because it runs in your mobile phone, because social media and internet is out there, right, in your mobile phone only. So you can work from anywhere. Like you're going to college, you're coming back from office, you're traveling somewhere, you can still make money because it gives you flexibility to work. Along with that, there are no bosses here. Okay, so nobody will force you to achieve some target. Okay, it's totally up to you how much you want to earn in how much time you want to earn. And also, if you're sleeping, still you will be making money, because internet is working 24/7. Along with that, you'll make great amount of income, because affiliate marketing gives you huge amount of profits as commission. They can range from 20% to 50% and even 70%. Here in this webinar, if you stay till the end, I'm going to tell you about a product which can actually give you more than 70% commission and lots of rewards. Okay, you want to know that? Sit here till the very end. All these people who have become successful, they've just followed these three skills, these three things to become successful in affiliate marketing. Number one, the right mindset. Number two, the right skill set. And number three, the right kind of action. I'm offering you my proven ecosystem, okay, that will provide you all the necessary skills which you require. It will give you the right kind of direction and a platform on which you can actually implement those skills and achieve results. And along with that, it's a complete mentorship program. You will get mentorship at every support for your lifetime. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, you just learn and start executing and you will get support. The name of this ecosystem is BizGurukul. BizGurukul is the only ecosystem in India that has been creating so many success stories for people like us who are not much aware about social media, who are just newbie into this field. Okay, so that's where our expertise lies. Okay, so we're a private limited company. You can go to the site of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. You can get all the details about us. We started in March as a brand under Gyan Coach Education Services, but right now we are a private limited company as well. So we have a mission to create 1 lakh affiliate marketers, and we are already about to touch 15,000 because the kind of products and services that we are providing, they are class apart. Okay, so our products include e-learning courses and trainings which are specifically designed for online entrepreneurs and affiliate marketers. So if you want to start making income online, you can learn it from here. We'll give you all the trainings, we'll give you all the skills, we'll give you our platform, and also we'll give you complete mentorship. Right, so how do we do that? For that, we have created 3 combos for you. First of all, you will learn from these combos, and then you can apply all those skills into any field that you want. I'll tell you how to do that. And along with that, if you want to use this platform, you can start promoting these courses and make income out of that as well. A lot of people have been doing that. So let's focus on the learning part first. Okay, number 1 course is Video Superstar. Remember, I told you the best way to develop a strong personal brand in quick time is through videos. And a lot of people, they don't even start making videos. They want to make it, but they don't know how to start making it because they have a fear of making videos. I promise you, in this course, in the very first 15 minutes, okay, people get rid of their fear of making videos, because I've given them a 21-day challenge and I've worked on removing those fears. Okay, along with that, you will learn how to create unlimited content on any topic that you want. You'll learn all those tools which expert digital marketers know. Okay, so you learn how to create great content, you learn how to make the video go viral, you learn all those sciences, you learn how to record, you learn how to edit, you learn how to make money out of that. The second course here is digital marketing. See, I told you about digital marketing, but this is not just about social media marketing. It's a complete digital marketing program. Just go to Google and find how much you need to pay if you want to become a digital marketer. I mean, if you go to any institute or any platform, like Google will tell you 35 to 40,000 rupees at least is required to learn digital marketing. But here in this program, we are giving you much more value than that. It will make you a powerful website designer, website developer, through which you can actually start designing website right from the very first month and make over 30,000 rupees a month. Okay, you can learn how to promote content, you will learn SEM, you learn social media marketing, you learn email marketing, you learn web analytics. It will make you a complete digital marketer. Next course is of Facebook Messenger marketing. Remember, I told you about follow-up skills. And start using Facebook Messenger, not just for chatting, but to make it, convert it into a chatbot and start making great income out of that. See, there was a friend of mine, okay, who made into like millions of rupees by just promoting chatbot services to network marketers. So he was able to help network marketing professionals achieve more leads using just Facebook chatbots. So market is huge out there. Okay, so each and every course can actually help you make great income by learning these skills which you are providing. The next course is about personality development. If you talk about online field or offline field, wherever you go, a good personality is required, right? So we'll tell you how to develop a strong personality at physical level, social level, because you need it a lot right now. All of us are communicating with people on social media, but 99% of the people, they don't actually know how to start a conversation with anybody on social media. Like they just start with a hi or a hello, and then they start asking, what do you do, where do you live? I mean, if you use your common sense, if you just study, if you just even skim through the profile of the other person, you will learn what is he and his life all about. But you don't do that, and then you get ignored because the other person judges you. Okay, mental level. You talk about mental level right now, since people have so many goals to achieve, so many dreams to achieve, but they have so much of stress and pressure, right? So this course will also help you how to become mentally strong to achieve great results. Fifth one, see, everybody loves Instagram, everybody wants to market it, so sorry, master it. So this course will actually tell you how you can utilize that. Okay, it's called Instagram Mastermind Blueprint, Marketing Blueprint, and also you'll get English subtitles on our courses. So these 5 courses are live. In the almost mid of the month, or maybe like 20th December, you'll start getting the 6th course, which is on spoken English. Okay, so it will be spoken English mastery. It will help you to become a master with spoken English. It will help you to build a great career. 7th course will be personal branding mastery. It will help you to make great income using personal brand. The 8th course, which is money success blueprint, will help you to learn about all those secrets which the rich people know about and how they're attracting more wealth in their life. In their life, you will learn all of this. 9th course will be about productivity. See, everybody wants to become more productive, be it studies, job, household work, profession like entrepreneurship or any other thing. Everybody wants to be more productive and get more work done in less time. If you want to know that, you need to learn from this course. The 10th course will be on affiliate marketing. So you're getting 10 courses in a single package. It's enough for you to make lakhs of it from affiliate marketing and online entrepreneurship. And we are giving you all these courses, all these 10 courses at one place in one package. I'm sorry for this. In one package at a cost not of 1 lakh rupees, but such a cost which is totally unbelievable for people. That's only 2,999 including GST. Okay. So we have provided you high quality content. If you want to learn about it, just go to our YouTube channel and watch all the demo videos out there of these courses. So we'll learn what kind of amazing value that we are providing. A lot of people have this myth, okay, oh, if it's so less, I don't think it will be so effective. Bro, we are giving you content which is designed by experts into their fields who have over 8 years, 5 years and 10 years of experience. Okay, so don't question about the quality. If you have any question, go to our YouTube channel, watch the demo video, get yourself satisfied before making any decision. Okay, and these courses are available for you for the whole lifetime. Plus, on completion of these courses, you can apply for a certificate. You will get the certificate as well. Along with this, you'll get 5 bonuses if you take action. Means if you enroll today and start learning, means you are an action taker. So you'll get 5 bonuses. But what are the 5 bonuses? I'm going to tell you. Before that, let's study the second package, which is Sapphire. Sapphire is completely focused on lead generation. It can make you a master at lead generation. The very first course that we are providing you is an advanced level course on Instagram. It will tell you how to build a profile like an influencer. It will tell you how to run ads. It will tell you how to use the right kind of hashtags. It will learn you how to create carousel. It will tell you how to create a logo for your brand. Everything is covered into that. Okay, so you will learn powerful ways to master Instagram and make 6-figure income out of that. Second thing will be you will learn how to use Facebook ads, how to master it. You can not only increase your business with that, but you can help other people by providing them these services of Facebook ads and make great income out of that. So this is the second course. The new courses which will be launched are on Google Ads, YouTube Mastermind, MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint. Okay, so number one focus is on lead generation, and along with that, it will make you a YouTube influencer, and it will give you all the professional knowledge with the courses like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, because obviously these are required everywhere. So not just 7 courses, you'll actually be getting 17 courses in Sapphire package, because if you enroll with Sapphire, you will actually get gold combo absolutely free of cost. So 17 courses at a cost of just one course. That's 5,999. That's it, right? Out there in the market, people are charging easily from 6 to 10,000 rupees for Instagram course. But here at the cost of just one course, you are getting 17 courses for your lifetime. Plus, don't forget 5 bonuses as well. Third package is Platinum. If you start with Platinum, the amazing thing would be you become a master at conversion. So Platinum will first of all make you a powerful communicator through a program called Master Public Speaker. This will make you a powerful presenter. You'll be able to take webinars and live sessions like this with complete confidence. You'll become a powerful public speaker. You'll become a great communicator, even if you're talking to one single person, which means you'll be able to convert more sales. Okay, you'll be able to convert high ticket clients, because this course is all about becoming a powerful communicator. And this has been designed by a trainer who has over 10 years of experience in communication industry. His clients includes people who are big millionaires, okay, and even billionaires, like owner of Manohar Jewelers, owner of Hans Publication, Lotus Publication, the senior vice president of Naukri.com, Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, celebrity photographers, different kind of politicians as well. I can take those names. Okay, and the second thing is that his students have gone to TEDx talks as well. They are TEDx speakers, and also they've given international speeches of audience of more than 10,000 people. Okay, so understand, you're not just getting a course, you're getting a trainer's 10 years of experience in this program. Here's a small demo video of that.
But if you're moving your hands around your stomach area, that's like average energy level that you're portraying. Decent energy level that you're portraying when you're talking to people, communicating, giving a presentation. If it's always around this area, you have average energy level, decent energy level that you're portraying. The second is when your hands are around your chest area. When you're moving it around your chest area, this is where you can be more energetic. This is where you are like more than average. You're good at energy level when you're communicating around your chest area. You move your hands all the time around your chest area, and this sounds that you have.
For detailed videos, you can go to our YouTube channel. Okay, plus new courses that we'll be launching: email marketing mastermind. I've already told you about it, right? Copywriting master. See, there's a huge demand of copywriters in the world right now. Everybody wants to design a website, and everybody wants to sell more, for which copywriting is required. Like, you can become a powerful speaker, and it will give you advanced knowledge of YouTube as well. So not just these 4 courses, you'll be getting 10 courses of gold absolutely free with platinum, and 7 courses of sapphire absolutely free with platinum, which means in totality you will be getting 21 courses with platinum at a cost of just 9999 including GST. So 21 courses for your lifetime, along with 5 bonuses. Let me reveal the bonuses to you. Number 1, for your whole lifetime you'll get every week 2 trainings about how to make great income from affiliate marketing. So we have conducted those live sessions, right? And we have recorded them for you, plus you'll be getting access to the current live sessions as well, which are happening every week. Like tomorrow there will be a session in English, which is on Fridays we have a training session normally in English. On Wednesday we have a training session in Hindi. Okay, so you learn only from the experts, okay, who are achieving great results from affiliate marketing using our platform, right? Learning from our courses, and they're applying it and they're making great income. So you learn directly from them how to optimize your profile so that you can get more leads. You will learn how to generate organically, which means without even running a single rupee ad, you will learn how to generate 50 to 100 leads a single day. You will learn how to create great content. You will learn how to promote it, and you will learn how to convert more, right? So every single week you will get 2 webinars. That's over 100 webinars in a year, and year after year you'll be continuing with these trainings, which will help you to make great skills and earn great income. Bonus number 2, Hall of Fame. So if you want to start earning into 6-figure, you need to learn from 6-figure earners, right? And that club at BizGuru is called Hall of Fame. So let me tell you only about a few examples, although we have over 30 people who are Hall of Fame achievers, right? Jabir making 6-figure income, working part-time. Srijan is into college, just first year, and look at the income that he has created. If Aditya is a second-year college student. Sushank made over 4 lakh rupees in just 5 months pursuing MBA. If you talk about a background, they said, I don't belong to such a good family. How will I be able to do it? Dilip is son of a farmer. He belongs to a village, and look at the result that he has created, right? So that's the kind of achievements that people make when they stop making excuses. So in our community, you will get training from these kinds of people every Monday at 8 o'clock. Bonus number 3, every Sunday is a special Sunday for BizGurukul family. You know why? Because on every Sunday, we invite people from various fields. Okay, so these are experts into their fields, they have years of experience, and they come to train you on behalf of BizGurukul every single Sunday. More than 90 minutes of power-packed training, be it about diet and fitness, be it about communication, be it about spirituality, be it about how to have better relationships with people, be it about leadership, be it about decision making or financial planning, or even personal branding, etiquettes, image branding, everything. Okay, so why do we do that? Because we want to focus on your overall development, on your holistic development, so that you can grow as a person as well in any career that you are in. Every Sunday, these trainings for your lifetime. Bonus number 4, as soon as you enroll with us, be it with gold, platinum, or sapphire, doesn't matter. As soon as you enroll with us, you'll get access to our achievers community, where you can become a part of our Facebook group and Telegram channel instantly as you enroll, and it will help you to learn from those people who are a part of this community. Okay, which means everybody. So you'll be learning from various kinds of people who are making great income, who are learning great things, and you can even practice what you learn here in this group, because each and every person supports each other to grow here. Bonus number 5, see, if you want to promote our courses as well, we provide you support. How? We'll give you the recording of these webinars, of the live webinar that you are attending, and you can invite your people into these live webinars as well. So that way we'll tell your lead about what is BizGurukul. You don't need to do that. All right, so that's the support that we can provide you so that you can easily promote the courses. So this is about gold course. Second is sapphire, most valuable course, platinum. You can enroll with any of you want. You'll get all the 5 bonuses, plus you'll get a great income earning opportunity. I'll tell you about it. But before that, let's focus on the kind of customers, the kind of feedback that we are getting from customers. Be it students like Meenil, or be it teachers like Pratiksha, be it entrepreneurs like Rohit. See, Rohit is a website designer himself, not me, the other Rohit, okay? He's somebody else. So he's himself a website designer, and he made over 7 lakh rupees in sales using our trainings. Okay, so our courses and trainings are helping people to make great growth in their own respective career as well. Like, so what do you actually pay for? Understand, you are actually paying for the courses. You're getting trainings absolutely free of cost. No other ecosystem can provide you all of this at this cost. I give it to you as an open challenge. Okay, I've done my research. Nobody can provide you all of that, but we are providing. All you need to do is just become a part of this ecosystem by paying just for the learning part. That's it. You pay for the courses, we give you training for free for your lifetime, and we give you an opportunity to become an affiliate with us and make great income also for your lifetime, and that's also free of cost. You don't need to pay for that. So there is no risk involved. There is no business investment. All you need to pay is just for the courses. Okay. And plus we'll give you 5 times of income options. Okay. You can earn all of them, not one, but all of them. Number one, if you start promoting our courses, so you enroll with gold and you start promoting gold, platinum or sapphire, you'll make 2,000 rupees on every sale. If you start with sapphire, you'll get more courses, you'll get more learning, plus you'll get more earning as well, because the commission is more. On gold, you'll get 2,000, but if you are able to sell sapphire or platinum, you get 4,000. By sale, I don't mean you need to go out there and pitch people for that. No, not at all. You'll attract people. How? You learn all of that in our training process. Talk about the third package, which is platinum. If you start with platinum, you'll make 7,000 rupees on platinum, 4,000 rupees on sapphire, and 2,000 rupees of sale on the gold sale. See, if you want to learn in detail about it, contact the person who is invited you to this webinar. Okay, he'll tell you. If you have any questions, ask him. My work here is to provide with all the knowledge that can help you to make a right decisions, just like these income screenshots. So people are making money, they are earning. These are weekly payment screenshots. We have a weekly payment system here. Whatever work that you generate, whatever business that you generate from Monday to Sunday, you get paid for it in the next week on Friday or Saturday. And this is all white income because TDS is deducted on this by the government. So that's again a proof that we are a legal company, because government has our data in the form of TDS and GST as well. Okay. And obviously, when people will earn, they'll spend it on themselves, right? So people are purchasing gadgets for themselves, they're paying their college fees, they're purchasing laptops, they're gifting gifts to their parents, they're purchasing two-wheelers for them, okay? And also they're contributing to the society. I love this part because we have created a family of so many contributors like Abhishek, Paridhi, and so many other people. That was the first income option. Second one is through rewards. So whenever you're making a sale, you're getting this commission, but you're getting rewards as well. You know how? Every single month we have a monthly reward program. Let's have a look at the December reward program. If you make 3 sales, you will earn this merchandise. If you make 10 sales, you will earn this bag. If you make 20 sales along with the commission, you will get the Sleeky headphones as well. Talking about the car program, which is the BizGurukul Car Superstar program. Now, who is a superstar? The one who achieves a Hall of Fame club. Okay, so you achieve the Hall of Fame club, which means generate an income of at least 1 lakh rupees with BizGurukul, right? Not month, but in totality. Like suppose you join today, in the next 3 months you made over 1 lakh. Good, you can be eligible for Car Superstar program now, wherein you will you can start earning funds for your dream car. Okay. Fifth one is passive income. Now, what is passive income? You made effort once, but you are getting paid for it again and again without even putting effort again. That's passive income. Everybody wants that. Here at BizGurukul, we don't give you passive income of 100 or 200 rupees. We give it to you in thousands of rupees. Now, suppose you got started as an affiliate with us and you promoted a course to a customer who purchased a gold package. Now, whenever your customer will upgrade his package, you will make 4,000 rupees as commission. If he'll upgrade his package to platinum, you will get 7,000 rupees as commission. So that's the kind of passive income that you can create. That's just one model. Very soon we are launching another model as well. So all you need to do is just enroll today itself, okay? All you need is that your age should be 18. Even if it is not 18, doesn't matter. You can enroll in the name of any family member of yours who is above 18. To enroll with us, you don't need to give any Aadhaar card or PAN card. Even if you don't have it, doesn't matter, okay? But you can apply it today only. Why? Because whenever you'll start earning, you need to deposit the PAN card to us, okay? But yes, it will take you some like 7-8 days to learn as well. So don't worry, apply for a PAN card tonight or tomorrow. Government will give it to you for like 150 or 200 rupees in just 7 to 10 days, okay? But to enroll, you don't need it. Just enroll it today. And also provide us your bank details so that we can transfer the commission into that. So your reason could be anything for which you want to join BizGurukul. It could be a full-time income source that you want, working just part-time. It could be income. It could be learning. It could be the skills. It could be the kind of support that you get here. It could be because you want to become a part of this growing community. It could be because you want to utilize your time in the right way. It could be anything. The only thing that you don't need to do is make excuses. Understand this thing, okay? Stop making excuses. I'm going to say this. Don't have money? You're right. But tell me who's going to work for it? What's the solution? If Robin can do it, if Dilip can do it, you can also do it. Problem is not about money. It's about your mindset. You're watching this webinar on a 10,000 rupees mobile phone, right? God forbid if something happens to that mobile phone, would you purchase a new phone? Yes, so well, which one will it be? A Samsung Guru keypad phone? No, right? It will again be a smartphone of at least 10 to 15,000 rupees. Where will the money come from? From your parents, right? Who are already paying for your food, for your clothes, for your lifestyle, everything. They are paying for your college fees. And you are bunking classes, you're skipping classes. Even that college degree won't land up in you a great job, you know about it, right? Still, you need some extra skills, and BizGurukul is providing you with that. So money is not the problem. Your mindset is. You need to make the right decisions. Now, suppose you don't want to enroll. Perfectly fine. Don't enroll. I encourage you, don't enroll. But tell me, what will you do about these 3,000 rupees which you will save, right? Will it get doubled if you put it in the bank? No, right? And there is no guarantee that it will get doubled here. But there is one guarantee that definitely it will give you learning for a lifetime, which will eventually increase your value because you're investing in your learning that will help you increase your value and you can make more money out of that. So just take it as a challenge. Just take the money to learn from your parents just one last time and then become self-dependent by promoting this also. Okay. Money is never the problem. Your mindset is. Don't have time. You're right, because you're wasting it on social media. Stop wasting that time. Okay. With that, I don't mean that you don't get entertained, but just do the entertainment part for 1 hour. For the rest, 2-3 hours, focus on your learning and you can devote it here. The other day, one person messaged me on Instagram. He asked me, sir, I work from 9 to 9, like 9 a.m. in the morning to 9 p.m. How can I take out time to work? I said, bro, at what time do you sleep? He told me, okay, around 12 or 1. I said, then you have 3-4 good hours from 9 to 12 at night. Maitri used to work from 7 to 10 o'clock in the evening, right? Because she had a job. Just look at the kind of income that she has created. Time is not the issue. So stop making those excuses. If it's important for you, you'll take out time. You know that, right? If you think you need to ask someone, then see, you're a grown-up man, kid, girl, boy, woman, I don't know who you are. But if you're listening to me, understand. If you can't even take that small decision of learning yourself, how you can think of becoming a millionaire or a six-figure earner? Just take this decision. It's just about learning and you have nothing to lose. The best part is that you have nothing to lose, right? So stop asking random people about it, okay? Be it your best friend or even your parents, okay? They have not attended this webinar. You have attended it. You know best about it. But if you need any support, if you don't know how to start, if you don't know what to do, if you have any questions, contact the person who has invited you to this webinar because it's the right person to ask it from, right? He knows about Bizgulkul. He knows about affiliate marketing. So contact him. Do not message me on Instagram. Okay. Contact that person who has invited you to this webinar. He'll tell you about all your questions in a detailed way. Along with that, understand. I agree that you might be thinking that you don't have customers because you're thinking just about those 100 or 150 or maybe 1000 people who are in your WhatsApp or Facebook. They're not your actual market. A doctor doesn't become a doctor because he thinks about treating his neighbors or relatives only. No. A doctor becomes a doctor because there is a huge market out there who needs my services. In the same way, there's a market of 50 crore people out there on Instagram and Facebook. Globally, there are over 4.5 billion people. That means over 450 crore people using internet. 50 crore are using in India only, and that too only Instagram and Facebook. Leave all the other platforms aside. That is your market. And in our trainings, in our courses, we tell you how to tap that market. That's your real market. Okay, so don't worry about the customers. And if you think you won't be able to do it, maybe you're right. You know why? Because you haven't done it till now. You haven't learned it. Do you know how to ride a bike? Probably yes, or maybe probably no. But do you know how to fly a plane? No, right? Because you're not pilot. But I mean, is a person who is flying a plane, is he a born pilot? No, right? He has learned it from here. In the same way, nobody is a born affiliate marketer. Everybody learns it from here. You can also do so if you have the right kind of intention to learn. So stop making excuses, brother or sister. Right? Either you can have excuses or you can have money. That's it. Choose one. If you choose money, if you want to have money, come and join India's largest online revolution, online entrepreneurship revolution, that's Bizguru. It's the only ecosystem in India which is providing you knowledge and earning opportunity at such an affordable cost. In fact, earning is absolutely free. It's the only online education system in India which gives you these many trainings. It's the only ecosystem in India which is so much supportive. It's the only ecosystem in India where you can actually build your career and see a great future because we have been producing so many results. So if you're ready to learn, contact the person who has invited you to this session and ask whatever question that you have.